morning, my nursery kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Myself, Urvi ma'am from Kitchen Space, and my today's topic is freedom from junk food. You all are having food in lunch, breakfast, snacks, and dinner. Without food, you will not get energy. If you want to play, if you want to go to school, if you want to do anything, you want energy. और energy हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? Yes, food से. But what are you having in your food? Are you eating healthy food or unhealthy food? Have you noticed? Sometimes you like to have unhealthy food like wafers, chips, ice cream, cake, right? But we have to eat unhealthy food sometimes, like once in a week, not every day. And we have to eat healthy food every day. We have to eat fruits, milk, roti sabzi, dal rice, dry fruits. We have to eat all this healthy food in our daily life. So children, tell me why we have to eat healthy food? Because healthy food gives us nutrition. If we want to grow up, we don't want to become sick, we have to eat healthy food. Now I am going to show you some pictures of healthy food and unhealthy food. First, I am going to show you healthy food. Roti, bread, dosa, rice, salad, idli sambar, fruits, corn, sprouts, almonds, vegetables. This all are healthy food. Now I am going to show you some pictures of unhealthy food. Burger, cake, hot dog, samosa, Maggi, cold drinks, chocolates, ice cream, pizza, noodles. This all are unhealthy food. We have to eat this unhealthy food very less. Only sometimes we have to eat this because unhealthy food में कोई भी nutrition नहीं होते. Now we are going to do an activity of pasting pictures of food in our plate. उस plate में breakfast, lunch और dinner के food items हम paste करेंगे. Whatever you like to eat, you have to paste that pictures. See, here there are so many different pictures of food. You have to choose and you have to paste it in this dish. What do you like to have in breakfast?
Juice.
Very good. Now paste this in breakfast column. आप सिर्फ जूस लेते हो ब्रेकफास्ट में?
No.
और क्या खाते हो?
पोहा. And pear.
Very nice. Now lunch time. क्या खाना पसंद करोगी आप लंच में?
सब्जी, रोटी, दाल and rice. buttermilk,
Very good.
and salad.
अरे वाह, वेरी नाइस. आप सैलेड भी खाती हो?
हाँ.
Now, snacks time.
Chips,
आप रोज चिप्स खाते हो?
no,
और क्या खाते हो स्नैक में?
biscuits,
गुड.
and banana.
वेरी नाइस. सिर्फ बनाना नहीं खाना है, ठीक है? रोज
Okay,
डिफरेंट फ्रूट खाना है.
okay.
Now, dinner time. What do you like to have in dinner?
Sandwich, French fries, uttapa,
Very good. So this is your complete meal. हमें कभी कभी ही जंक फूड खाना है, अदरवाइज मैक्सिमम टाइम हमें हेल्दी फूड खाना है. You can also do this activity at home. So children, hope you enjoyed this session. Take care. Bye bye.